Hi, my name is Tim Mankey, and I'm a field systems engineer with Yamaha Unified Communications. And today I'd like to go over briefly with you the new Adesia system. In fact, I'm talking to you on it now in my 30 by 50 workspace slash home office garage here in Austin, Texas. Let's take a quick look at the components because the Adesia system is truly game-changing in that everything is powered over an Ethernet PoE plus switch. It's truly plug and play. It's auto configuration, auto discovery. All of the routing and audio streams are set up automatically using Dante on the back end, as well as having a very elegant input-output device to interface with USB, codecs, and many other interfaces as well, including Bluetooth and SIP. So you plug everything together using Cat5 cables, and then you open up a quick GUI and you walk through a 5-step process where it's going to play pink noise, automatically tuned for this room and this environment. There is absolutely no configuration for the microphone or the system beyond that. It will literally pick up beautifully anybody in this area up to about a 25-foot space if you mount it at about a 9-10-foot height in a typical drop ceiling like we see here. So I'm going to show you it here in my environment right now. Here is the microphone above my head. It is fully interoperable too. I'm recording this with Zoom, and I'm going to go ahead and mute, and you'll be able to notice the LED turn red and pulse slowly as I mute it. And we have that interoperability with just about every platform. We will be certified with Zoom and Teams as quick as we can, but again, know that this is fully compatible with those platforms and every other one right now as well. And check this out. That's the entire system over here in my rack unit to my left. I've thrown a couple of Matchbox cars up in here just to give you some frame of reference. This is actually one U high for each unit and half a rack U wide. There's your Bluetooth pairing button. We also have some XLR inputs, so you can do some local sound reinforcement and town hall meetings within the room as well. So now let's pan out and take a quick look, and hello, here I am in this environment. And as you can see, I'm sitting underneath the Adesia microphone right now. And as I said, the equipment is in a rack over to my left. So I've set up this temporary area in my workshop. And for reference, this door behind me is 14 feet by 14 feet. The walls are 16 feet by 16 feet. And with the Adesia mic, it's got a dynamic beam locked onto me. And any other participant in the room who starts to speak up and participate in the conference would get their own beam on them as well. And the beauty of this is we have other technologies like de-reverberation, automatic gain control, and speaker tracking. So I can actually get up and move around this room, and this beam's going to stay locked onto me as I move around. I may be presenting in this area or getting around and looking at some blueprints or whatever reason I'm moving around the room. I may want to sit down in this location right here, and I've measured this. I'm now 12 feet from the microphone from right here. I'm using a fisheye lens, so it may look a little odd for those distances, but here's an example of the automatic gain control. I'm now going to start to talk very, very quietly. In fact, I'm going to whisper. I am literally 12 feet away from this microphone, whispering. And now I'm going to slowly bring my voice back up to normal level, to a normal speaking level. And you'll see that was an example of the gain control. Now, the speakers themselves are very elegant. They're 2 inches by 4 inches by 44 inches. And they do mount flush on the wall, so they're fully ADA compliant. But again, 16-inch-and-a-half drivers with amplifier section built in, and everything powered from a single Cat5 cable. Phenomenal. What's interesting is these speakers are only 9 dB down at 40 feet away. So I can have a comfortable listening level in this entire environment without blowing anyone away. I never would have thought of line array speakers until Yamaha introduced the VXLs for conferencing. So I'm going to back up now to about 17 feet away where my fridge is. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and open the door and step outside. The beam is still locked onto me and tracking me. So now I'm literally outside my shop, and now I'm going to whisper. So I'm literally outside whispering, and it's picking me up perfectly. So I should be able to now bring my voice back up and step into the building and walk pretty much anywhere in this shop and be heard very, very well. So that's an example of the Adesia system in a live environment. If you'd like to know more about this system, variations on the theme, and other systems like this from Yamaha, please visit us at uc.yamaha.com. Thank you very, very much. Have a great day, everybody.